Hi guys, welcome to Jan's. I feel like the promotion is more on dark circles, and I've been seeing before and after pictures, but that's really not my concern. So if it's not my concern, do I need it? Is it for me? Should I spend the $30? Will it be a benefit to, or should I add this to my makeup routine? Or I could just toss it and say this is not for me. So this is why I wanted to do the video. I really wanted to put it to the test and check, especially on my eyes, that it's not dark circles, but it's other issues that I have, and will this concealer target those areas? Once I started with makeup and I kept looking to see which one would help me, as long as it did cover and it had a good coverage there, I was happy. And I feel like I don't think I need to spend so much money on a concealer when some drugstores concealers are okay. But that did change my opinion once I started trying different concealers that I will purchase from Ulta or Sephora. Like when I wear the NARS concealer, it kind of like makes it that more uniform. The bags are not shown as much as any other concealer that I have tried. Another concealer that I do like is the one from Born This Way. This concealer, you're gonna see that I put this to the test. I'm gonna be showing you a demo that I'm trying out the Born This Way on this section and the new Huda Beauty Concealer on this section, and I wanted to see, is it worth it? Because this one ranges, I think, in the $22. Well, this one is $30. It's a big difference there in price, and the application is different. Everything is really different, but I wanted to see overall how does it look like, especially on my baggy eyes. And not everybody has the same issues. Well, if you're interested to know what are those ingredients, if you're gonna be spending $30, what are those $30 are gonna offer to my skin? That the formula works on disguise, dark circles, redness, hyperpigmentation, age spots, and discoloration. Right there, I really like that. But I think a lot of the concealers do offer something similar to that. So $30 for that. Let's see, so is there anything else? It does say it's going to give you a matte finish. It has 20 shades, so that's a really nice range of so many shades for you to choose from. And here are the ingredients, the benefits for this concealer. It has green tea, and green tea is a very nice item to add to your skin. It's going to help with the discoloration. It has Persian silk tree, which is an anti-inflammatory. It has a calming agent there. It has antioxidant properties. The Jericho rose extract is very interesting because what I read about this plant is that when there's a drought, this plant looks dead, and it could last for a long time on a drought, and you will see no sign of that plant ever coming back to life, which that's what you expect. But it says after it rains, it becomes a green plant again. So it's kind of like a miracle type of plant. So there is an ingredient in this concealer that is called Jericho rose extract. But yeah, I don't feel like it's drying my skin at all. The lines are not showing as much, or it doesn't look like it's heavy, but it does have some good coverage in there. Would I say for you to spend $30 in a concealer? I don't know. I can't say $30 will be it. You just have to see if this is the one that will work for you, because every person's eyes, face, skin is very different, and a lot of things will not sometimes work on some people. Sometimes it will work. The one thing I do say that I do like that it does feels soft. It feels light, even though you're getting a lot of coverage. I have tried putting different powders, and sometimes I don't even put powder, and I still feel like I'm getting the same results too. Using a wand, it could get contaminated a lot easier. So in that sense, I do like this. I do like the cooling feeling of it. That's why I like to go back and forth, because maybe it might help eliminate the puffiness in my eyes. At least I'm thinking that. But it does feel so much cool, like it feels so much cooler because it's really cold. So is it worth it? I'm still testing it out. I am happy how it looks. I know that if I had dark circles, this would be huge, because I've been seeing a lot of the before and after, I've been seeing dramatic results, but it also targets, I do notice that the bags are not showing as much as with other concealers, and it does give you that matte finish, and it does look really nice on my skin. So I really wanted to do my review. I also wanted to try it out with another concealer that I do like, a concealer that does offer an ingredient there that also helps the eyes. I feel for me that's rare. A lot of the concealer that I do try is just to have good coverage and that's it, but I feel like they're stepping up the game with adding ingredients that is going to also help, especially a very delicate section in your skin, which is the eyes, that is very thin. If you really like this video, you like this review, you can give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, bye.